My friends, it's about time for a Into the AM clothing haul. Just got my fresh digs, fresh threads. Let's show you what we got. I'm actually heading to church right now, so I'm actually going to be wearing the all-day pants right here, as well as I need to determine what shirt I'm going to wear. I think we're going to the moon today, so I think I'm going to wear my moon shirt. Let's show you what they look like. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day. We started off laying out the clothes on a table, and now I've been wearing them for some time. Okay, this shirt, number one, fits beautifully. So I've been doing a lot of surfing. And I'm going to be honest with you, with a humble heart, I'm getting jacked. I'm getting really ripped, and this shirt by Into the AM just hugs my muscles. Now, they do have some other shirts, forgive the beautiful hair. We're going to do a little clothes haul. It's been a little while since I've done an Into the AM clothes haul. This shirt fits absolutely incredible. I am a medium. I wear medium in everything. Some shirts have a little bit looser of a fit. Some shirts have a little bit more of a tighter athletic fit. I personally love the fit of this particular shirt. Let me show you the back of it here. As you can see, and I will link all this again, top link in the description box below, as well as the pinned comment. And good news for you, we're going to do the clothing haul. So stay with me, but if you want 10% off anything on Into the AM's website, which I highly recommend their clothes. I've been wearing their clothes for years now when I first partnered up with them, and I have a ton of shirts. Now, that 10% will be for everything on their website except for packs and discounted items, because those are already pretty heavily discounted. So anything else but their packs, so individual shirts, pants, 10% off, use top link in the description box below, as well as the pinned comment. Highly recommend this shirt. Love the design to it. Love the color of it as well. So, not to mention that fit, just looking all jacked up. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna lie to you. Your boy is 43 years old, looking like Mark Wahlberg jacked. All right, let's do a clothes haul. Let's throw on the pant, which I just wore to church the other day. Beautifully stretchy. I can do some squats in them. Hold on. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I got some shirts right here in front of you. We're going to show that to you. We're not going to make this a long video. I got pant here in front of me. Let me see if I can get you a little bit better of a shot. Okay, these pants are awesome. It's just beautiful, right? So they got a beautiful look to them here. You could literally wear these to work. And yes, I got a surfboard on the ground right next to us here. They look really good. I would wear them with athletic shoes, Vans or something like that. But literally, I mean, they got a nice stretch to them here. As you can see, a stretch to them, but a good look to them here. The everyday pants, literally throw down a squat, literally right here. With the everyday pant, you got some nice pockets on these things. You have a zippered pocket on the right butt and then a regular pocket on the left. Highly recommend the all-day pant. And if I have been calling them everyday pant, I'm sorry. They're called the all-day pant. And this is kind of like a dark gray color. Really thoroughly enjoy these. Very highly recommended. Also, Into the AM beanie here in kind of a maroon red color. I've been wearing this too. The surf wave, it looks really good. Kind of throw it down a little bit. Obviously, winter is here. Looking jacked in my shirt, my beanie. I'm in Waco, Texas for the surf wave, if you've ever heard of it. It is currently coming into the middle of December, the first week and a half of December or so. We're kind of going through a little roller coaster of a chilly spell. I've been wearing this every night to the surf wave and for my night walks with my pup. All right, let's try on another shirt and show you a couple awesome options. Their graphic tees are super cool. They also have basic tees. I love their basic tees as well. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, this is their golf tee. It is collared. You can button it up, has two buttons. You can button it all the way to the top. It is branded, super athletic, looking like your boy Mark Wahlberg on that golf course with your beanie, your all-day pant. This is a very nice golf shirt. I actually wore this to church, and you're looking absolutely fantastic. This is a beautiful shirt, beautiful combination pant, shirt, beanie, looking good. Okay, this is one of their old school graphic tees. Well, this just give you an example of some of the tees they have. This is one of my favorite ones. I love Into the AM has a ton of shirts that have like moons and cool graphic designs. Again, super athletic cut. Love the way they fit. That's what I like about Into the AM clothing. Hugs my athletic fit on my athletic build, I should say. And this is me not just hyping it. I really do enjoy these clothes. On a side note, these are the joggers. Love these things as well. Work out with these all the time when it is a little warmer. You have an Into the AM logo on the bottom left if you're wearing them facing outwards. Drawstrings, pockets, zippered pocket on the back. Great gym shorts. Okay, this is a one that fits a little bit more looser, but I do love the graphics to it. It's literally an astronaut like chipping away and sculpting right here. This is what I love about Into the AM clothing. Again, moonshot, baby, moonshot. Get that action. So still athletic cut, but it feels a little bit looser, a little less like really hugging that I personally like, but if you want it a little bit looser, then some of their tees are going to be fitting you just beautifully. Again, medium in everything. Really, really loving it. Overall, a great tee. I don't think we have anything on the back. I think it's plain on the back, but nice big moon scene with the astronaut right here. Loving that. And lastly, this is their basic tee. I got this in the gray, black, maroon color. I think I even got it in, I think another color as well. I think I have like 5 of these or 6 of these. I love how it has a little bit of a brand to it right here. Besides that, it is completely just color. But again, love how they fit my body, and you're definitely going to love them as well. Again, I have many more shirts and clothing from Into the AM. I just don't have them all with me. I am currently traveling right now, obviously for the Waco Surf Camp. Not really a surf camp. I'm just surfing a lot at the Waco Surf Wave. Overall, I think you're gonna really enjoy the clothing, as I have been enjoying the clothing. Literally half my suitcase, I think I have Into the AM clothing, but I just got my hands on a few of these new items like the all-day pant, beanie, couple shirts, etc., like I've already showed you. Again, if you want 10% off, that's a good deal on anything on Into the AM's website. Once again, excluding packs and the discounted items because they're already heavily discounted. Use that direct link in the description box below this video, top link, as well as the pinned comment. It'll automatically be applied at checkout, 10% off. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on the way out, helps the channel. Also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. My name is Chris, and I hope you have an absolutely incredible day. I will see you on the next video. Take care for now. Bye-bye.